All right, the drink we're about to make is called Beam Me Up Scottie Mac. First thing we're going to do is put some ice in a glass, and we are going to chill one shot of 151. So let's get our 151. There we go. And let's go ahead and shake that up. Get it nice and chilled. And now we're going to set up a couple shot glasses. This is a shot that we're going to layer. And first thing we're going to put in is our creme de banana. And we're going to do about a third of a shot of creme de banana. And next we're going to do about a third of a shot of Bailey's. Bailey's should layer itself a little bit at least. And finally, we're going to take our chilled 151 and pour that right on top. And there we go. That is a Beam Me Up Scottie Mac. Bottoms up.